Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New beautiful and latest crochet baby dress like baby frock to crochet baby dress. You will need a crochet pattern specially designed for dresses. Little kid girls. There are many patterns available online, ranging from simple to intricate design. Here are a basic outline of how to crochet a baby dress pattern on new and latest ideas. So I hope you like it. Choose a pattern, search for crochet baby dress pattern online or in crochet books. Look for one that matches your skill level and the style you deserve. So I hope you liked my video and my channel. Please guys keep sharing and watching my video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Like customize has this thread, you can add personal touches to the dress, such as lace, edging and ribbons or crocheted flowers. Different beautiful ideas like finish and assemble once completed all the required section of the dress. Finish off your yarn and sweep any seams or attach any closures such as a buttons or snap. So remember to have fun and take your time with the project. Crocheting a baby dress can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience.